Hey friends, welcome back. Good morning. It's Saturday morning and I wanted to try to give you a day in the life of a typical full-time working mom. What I do on a Saturday morning before the house is even up. Let's get into it. So this is a typical Saturday morning. I usually wake up and I get the house opened and brightened up so I can feel awake. I haven't even had my coffee or tea yet, but let's just go through the day and I'll show you exactly what my day looks like on a typical Saturday.
I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. No more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. Would you never go back this road? Would you never go back that way? I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? Would you never go back this road? Would you never go back that way? I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move?
So friends, that was it in a nutshell. That was pretty much our weekend, sort of weekend in the life of me, KristiNicole home. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification, so you know each and every time I post a video. I will be doing this type of vlog for you each and every Sunday to recap my week, and I hope you stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you the next time. Bye! It's creeping in the background. I don't know what she's doing.